My dear people of Mizoram, Chibai, on this momentous occasion, I extend my warmest greetings to every resident of our beloved state and wish you all a very happy 80th Independence Day. As we celebrate this remarkable milestone, let us remember with deep reverence and gratitude the supreme sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the hardships endured by common people under the colonial rule. We also honor our revered freedom fighters Lalu Ropliani, Nikwala, Lianfunga Sailo, Zakapa, Khwangchera, and others who took part in the struggle. Their courage and sacrifice helped shape the free India we cherish today. Let us once again reaffirm the values of freedom and sovereignty that we enjoy because of our independence. Today, under the able guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, India has emerged as one of the fastest developing nations in the world. We must take pride in our nation, our products, and our rich cultural heritage. Let us continue to foster unity in diversity, our greatest strength which the world admires. The nation grows if we, the people, stay as one and ensure our collective effort for the development of the nation. Under the Act East policy, the Northeast, including Mizoram, is progressing at the same pace as rest of the country. The Bhairabi-Sairang railway line has also brought significant development and convenience to the people in terms of transportation, movement of goods, tourism, and local employment. The railway line will further be extended to Zorinpui in southern Mizoram, integrating with the much-awaited Kaladan multimodal transit transport system, which is expected to become fully operational by 2027. Dear people, to welcome and fully utilize such transformative infrastructure projects, we must prepare ourselves mentally, broaden our vision, and look beyond the boundaries of our state and our comfort zones. On this joyous occasion, let us leverage Mizoram's unique strengths: a peaceful society, high literacy, favorable climate, clean environment, strong civic sense, and a close-knit community to accelerate development and realize the vision of Viksit Mizoram. In doing so, our state will play a vital role in achieving the larger national goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047, the clarion call of the Honorable Prime Minister. Given Mizoram's strategic location, every citizen also has a solemn duty to contribute to safeguard national unity. The youth of Mizoram, the future of our nation, I urge you to cultivate innovative ideas, a strong work ethic, an entrepreneurial mindset, and the ability to adapt to rapid development and new technologies. Stay away from drugs and substance abuse. Reduce excessive screen time and focus wholeheartedly on your studies and careers. Your single-minded devotion to your own improvement and those around you will take you, the society, and the state forward. Mizoram is renowned for the noble spirit of Tongaina, which has once again demonstrated during the recent monsoon-induced landslides and road disruptions, when stranded passengers and the sick were helped with great compassion. I salute all stakeholders who rose to this occasion, and I urge everyone to continue these great deeds. As the state continues to face the challenges of the monsoon season, the possibility of natural disasters remain. Please stay safe and alert. Follow the guidelines and directions issued by the authorities. Help those in need and uphold the spirit of Tongaina as you always have. Once again, I wish each and every one of you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Kalome.